Just out for a little walk on the day of the summer solstice. I do have a bunch of garden work I'd like to get done today, but just going to do a little quick trip to look at a particular plant and enjoy the afternoon for a few minutes. These little blue butterflies do love the vetches, and there are some little bees buzzing around there as well. There is a ruffed grouse who just moved from the edge here a little deeper into those trees. I'm not gonna try to chase it with the camera, I'll just let it go about its business. Forecast high of around 21 Celsius today. It was around 19 or so far. In this sunny strip along in front of the trees, it's probably several degrees higher than that. And where I'm standing right now in the shade, a couple of degrees cooler. Very pleasant day. And in the sun, where there are balsam poplars, you can smell their resin. It's a very pleasant smell. Excellent day if you consider the beginning of summer, which it rather is in our climate, or midsummer. Definitely a lovely day. I don't think I've ever been out here at quite the right time to see all these blue-eyed grass flowering out here. Cicerynchium. Of course, if they're not in flower, then they're just going to blend in with the grasses. This field is the first place I knew Antenaria pussytoes from. They all have silver foliage out in this area, but some of the colonies have pinkish flowers and some of them are white. These ones are a little more advanced. This is a different species altogether. It's the large one, which I've probably shown before in the yard. And these definitely flower earlier than the small silvers. And there's a really nice patch of this Cicerynchia. I think I'm getting into those crows' territory. They're not thrilled about me being here. I'll just be passing through.